In this video, we'll talk about how to use the cross multiplication method to solve a set of linear equations, which will help us solidify our understanding of the linear equations in two variables. To understand the application of solution of a system of linear equations. To learn to find the solution of a system of linear equations by cross multiplication method. Let us consider a situation to understand the application of a system of linear equations. A cargo van has the capacity to carry a load of 1,800 kilograms. There are two types of crates to be transported, type A and type B. The van can carry 20 crates of type A and 15 crates of type B, or 16 crates of type A and 30 crates of type B. What is the weight of each type of crate? We can write this problem mathematically and get the solution. Let the weight of one crate of type A be X kilograms and that of type B be Y kilograms. From the question we have 20x plus 15y is equal to 1,800 and 16x plus 30y is equal to 1,800. Now we have a pair of linear equations in two variables. We have already learnt to solve the system of linear equations by the elimination method. To recapitulate this, let us solve the equations by the elimination method. Multiplying equation 1 with minus 2, we get equation 3. Adding equation 2 and equation 3, we get minus 24x is equal to minus 1,800. So, x is equal to 75. Substituting this value of x in equation 2, we get 16 multiplied by 75 plus 30y, which is equal to 1,800. That is, 1,200 plus 30y is equal to 1,800. 30y is equal to 600. That is, y is equal to 20. Hence, the weight of type A crate is equal to 75 kilograms and that of type B crate is equal to 20 kilograms. In this session, we will learn another method called cross multiplication method to solve the system of linear equations. Let us consider the same equations to learn this method. Rewrite the equations by transferring all the terms to the left-hand side, making right-hand side as 0. Write x minus y and 1 separated by equality signs. To write the denominator of x, cover the terms containing x in both equations. Multiply the coefficient of y of the first equation with the constant term of the second equation, x upon 15 multiplied by minus 1,800, taking into consideration the sign of the term, and subtract the algebraic product of the coefficient of y in the second equation and constant term in the first equation, 30 multiplied by minus 1,800. For writing the denominator of minus y and 1, cover the terms containing y and the constant term respectively and follow the same procedure. Minus y upon 20 multiplied by minus 1,800 minus 16 multiplied by minus 1,800 is equal to 1 upon 20 multiplied by 30 minus 16 multiplied by 15. After simplifying the denominators, we get the result as x upon 27,000 is equal to minus y upon minus 7,200 is equal to 1 upon 360. Therefore, x is equal to 27,000 upon 360 is equal to 75, and y is equal to 7,200 upon 360 is equal to 20. In general, for two linear equations in two variables, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The solutions using cross multiplication method can be obtained by x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1, which is equal to minus y upon a1 c2 minus a2 c1, which is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, provided a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. To summarize, we have understood the application of the system of linear equations and the solution of the system of linear equations by the cross multiplication method. So, we understood linear equations and the method to solve those linear equations using cross multiplication. But there's more to watch and more to learn. Explore more to find out.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.